this is the back of the sensor. From the front, and unclip the two lenses. Underneath the lenses there's two Torx bolts. It will then drop down, being careful to unclip the two wires that are in the sensor. Remove mine, but it's held in with these two brass retaining clips that I'm hoping I can reuse. To take the switch out, if you pull back the tags ever so slightly and then use a pick type tool like so, and you can reuse them like I have. Right, I'm showing you this in reverse obviously because I didn't think I could do it in the beginning, but it is an easy job. Right, need to connect the wiring back in like so, and then there's one for the interior light and one for the alarm. Which is not very long, which goes in. A bit fiddly because the wires are not of any great length. Just make sure they're clipped all the way home. And that goes back up in there like so. It's held up with these Torx screws, which are a 30. One on either side. The little black lens covers over. For the alarm sensors. And the interior light. Like so, and that, I think, covers that. Job done.